Okay. Before introducing myself, I will also like to request my colleague, Mr. C.M. Patil sir, to introduce himself in a short, and then one by one, my students will introduce themselves. So it will be better for us that we are meeting in the 15 sessions in this program. So, CM Patil sir, please introduce yourself in short.
Good evening, everybody. I am Chandrajit Singh Madhukar Patil, CM Patil, and I am colleague to Mr. Bachchav sir. I am learning many things under his guidance. So I agreed with him that I should also join the meeting. Okay, sir.
Okay. Preksha, introduce yourself.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. My name is Preksha Praveen Shirode. I am from Masawat and I am studying 10th class now.
Okay, very good, very good. Next, Nandini, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Nandini Padukudar. I am studying 10th class.
Chaitanya.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Chaitanya Kishore Kapure and I am studying in 10th class.
Okay, Sejal.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Myself, Sejal Sanjay Jhagar, and I am from Masawat and studying in 10th class.
Dhruva.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. I am Dhruva Vinod Kulkarni, and I am glad that I am attending this meeting. And I study in 10th class in Thepre School, Masawat.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. So this is a short introduction of all the participants in the 15 sessions. We are together now. There are 5 students from my school and one of my colleagues, Mr. C.M. Patil, he will also with us. One of our partner from Bangladesh, Prapti ma'am, she is not present here. Okay, she will join us, or maybe in the next session she will join us. So today's our session is an introductory session. So the main purpose of this session is introduce participants with each other. Then we have to convey the information of our school with each other. So I have prepared some PPTs to introduce myself as well as my school. So I will share PPTs. So this is a brief introduction of myself. My full name is Ganesh Dattatreya Bachcha, Nilufar ma'am. Ganesh Dattatreya Bachcha. My qualification is MA B.Ed English, and also I have completed a diploma course, DSM, that is Diploma in School Management. DSM means school diploma in school management. It is a diploma in India by an Yashwantrao Chauhan Open University. So in service, we can join this course and complete this course. This is useful for us for the management of the school. Now, I am working as an assistant teacher in SSPD Thepre Madhyamik Vidyalaya Masawat. It is situated in Jalgaon district, Maharashtra, one of the states in India. And it is situated in a rural area, ma'am. My school is in a rural area, Masawat, the village Masawat. I am also working as master trainer, moderator, and in various trainings. I have taken various trainings, and as a master trainer, I have also given various trainings. So for about the last 11 years, I am working as a master trainer of English. I have completed first training of Yashada. Yashada is a very well-known training center, especially class 1 officers are given trainings in Yashada, but luckily I have got an opportunity to complete my first training in Yashada, and the training which I completed, the name of that training is completed, and it is also about English language. The teachers who are teaching language to especially 9th and 10th standard. So I have completed this training and also given this training to the participant teachers of my district. Second, ELIS, so British Council, one of the well-known international institution. She has it has conducted this ELIS training. This is 4-year program. So 3 years I have taken the training and given to the training of my districts. Next, I have also taken the training of revised syllabus of standard 8, revised syllabus of standard 10, etc. And just now there is a program called CHESS. It is also a program of 3 years, continuous help for the secondary English language secondary school teachers. So this is called CHESS. So this is 3-year program, and in this 3 year I work as a moderator, and we have also formed ETF group, English Teachers Forum. ETF means English Teachers Forum. So we have found a forum of English teachers in our taluka, in each taluka, and train them in particular subject. Smart PT, it is also one of the trainings. Then just now in the next June or July, I am selected as a state level master trainer in senior and selection grade training. That is when the teachers complete 12 years of his or her service. When a teacher completes 12 years of his or her training, senior grade training is given to them in India. And when a teacher completes 24 years of his or her training, he or she is given selection grade training. So for that training, I am selected as a master trainer at state level, and I will give training in June, end of June or July. Okay, as far as residential address is concerned, though my school is at Masawat, I live there for about 18 years, and for the last 6 years, I am living in Mohan Nagar, Jalgaon. Jalgaon is a taluka and district place in Maharashtra, and it is just 23 kilometers away from my school. 23 kilometers away from my school. So nowadays I am living in Jalgaon in Maharashtra, which is one of the taluka and district place. school name. So the full name of my school is SSPD Thepde Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Masawat, Taluka and District, Jalgaon. So SSPD means it is the name of the founder of our institution, Swatantra Sainik Panditnath Daduram Thepde Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Masawat. It is situated in Jalgaon Taluka and in Jalgaon district. It is in one of the states of India, that is Maharashtra. So, ma'am, do you get my school name and place? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
So it is my school is in rural area. The name of my village is Masawat. It is 23 kilometers away from Jalgaon. So now I live in Jalgaon, but my school is at Masawat, the rural place, village.
Masat.
Masawat. Okay,
Okay. Masat. Okay.
Masawat. Now my school information. It is established in 1956. So very old one we can say. And as far as my school is concerned, the students are learning from standard 5th to 12th. So it is secondary and higher secondary school. Primary students are not in my school from standard 1st to 4th. As far as teachers are concerned, there are about 46 teachers. As far as secondary section is concerned, secondary section means, ma'am, from standard 5th to 10th. It is called secondary section in our Maharashtra, India. And 11th and 12th, it is called higher secondary section. So in secondary section, there are 36 teachers, and in higher secondary sections, there are 10 teachers. So overall, there are 46 teachers working in my school, and for about, there are 14 non-teaching staff, including clerks, senior clerks, junior clerks, and clerks, and some peons. So definitely it is a very big school in rural area. For about 1,900 students are learning in my school. So this is a very big school in rural area. In each standard, for example, in 5th standard, there are 225 to 250 students learning. So in each standard, there are 200 to 225 to 250. In 6th standard, there are 225 to 250 students. In this way, there are 1,900 students learning in my school. Principal, the name of principal of my school is Mr. P.D. Patil sir, and on this 31st May, he is retiring. As far as management is concerned, there are 3 management posts: principal, vice principal, and supervisor in my school. So Mr. P.D. Patil sir is principal of my school. D.S. Khodpe sir is vice principal of my school, and the both are principal and vice principal, they are retiring on 31st of this May. As far as I myself is concerned, I am teaching English, only English to standard 5th to 10th. So though there are students from 5th to 12th standards in my school, I am teaching English to the students of standard 5th and 10th. Now come to the school campus. So now there are vacations are going on, and because of the pandemic situation, I was unable to show you the pictures of the school campus of my school. But in the coming sessions, definitely I will show some photographs of students, the programs which are going on in our school and the school campus of my school. So school campus, there is a 2-storied building of my school. And for about, there are 30 classrooms, very big and spacious building. And some of the classrooms are also digital classrooms in my school. As far as the facilities are concerned of my school, there is a huge playground. There are 2 campuses in our school, and there is a huge playground. There is an assembly ground also. There is a very big stage in front of our school, and all the activities, cultural activities, we conduct on that assembly ground. There is also a big school library in our school. I would like to share with you one of the point that in our Maharashtra, all the students from standard 1st to 8th, they are given textbook free of cost by the government of Maharashtra. It is compulsory. The child between the age group of 5th to 14. So it is the responsibility of the government to provide them all the educational facilities, including books. So there is a big school library, and all the students from 5th to 8th standard, they are given textbook free of cost every year in our school. Then there is also a school laboratory, computer laboratory. One more feature of my school, there is a school boarding for the needy students. For about 35 needy students, they can live there in the boarding, and they can complete their education up to 12th standard. So it is run by the government of Maharashtra. So it is also one of the features. Poor and needy people, needy students, they can also learn in leaving this boarding school. So it is also one of the features of my school. Then there is also a very nice scheme by the government of India or the government of Maharashtra, midday meal scheme. Midday meal scheme means all the students from standard 5th to 8th, all the students from standard 5th to 8th, they are given midday meal in the school, in the long recess of the school, each and every students. So as far as the students are concerned, for about more than 1,000 students every day, they are given meal under this midday skill scheme in our school. Now, from the last year, there is a pandemic situation. The students are not coming in the school. So we give the grades to their parents and they can make their midday meals at home. So it is very fine midday skill scheme program by the government of India and by the government of Maharashtra. So with the help of this scheme, all the needy, poor students, they can learn. Now, curricular and co-curricular activities in my school. I have also forgotten to tell you, ma'am, I have started class library program in my school. What is that program? In class library program, the students, they are also the member of that class library. For example, there are 50 to 60 students in my class. I am teaching, for example, I am teaching English to 4 classes, and there are 50 or more than 50 students in each class. So I ask them to buy one English story book. Each student buy one story book and they exchange the book in a week. So in this way, for example, 5th standard students, there are 50 students in one class. They bought each and every students bought one story book, and they exchange their book with one another every week. So in the whole year, they can read 50 story books at least. So this helps them to increase their vocabulary, and we also arrange various types of programs to give them some speaking ability in them. So this is library activity, English classroom library activity. Then there is also a laboratory in our school where the students can perform their science laboratory. They can use for their various types of experiments given in the textbook. Then annual gathering. So we arrange this program every year. Also, we arrange Anand Mela in this annual gathering. At that time, students can perform various types of their qualities with the help of their music, drama, acting, storytelling. So various types of sports activities we arrange in annual gathering. And also there is a Anand Mela. In Anand Mela, various students and their parents, they make various types of foods and they are sold on a particular day. At the end of annual gathering, they sell that food, various types of foods in the school at the lowest class, and we enjoy that gathering. Then workshops. So this is also a very fine feature of our school. Not only learning the subject, but we arrange workshop of each and every subject, including language. 3 languages are taught in our school in whole Maharashtra. Regional language, that is Marathi. Marathi is the regional language of Maharashtra. Then second national language, that is Hindi. Hindi is our national language, and international language, that is English. And with these 3 languages, we have math, science, and social study. So in our school, we arrange the workshops depended on each and every subject. So this is also fine future of my school, and various competitions including sports, cultural, academic, etc. we arrange in our school. Celebration of birth and death anniversaries of Indian legends. So this is in every week we arrange such types of programs, celebration of death and birth anniversaries of the great leaders of India, and through that we can convey the information of that particular leader or legends to our students. They can understand the personality of that particular person, and they can follow them. So this is also very innovative future of my school. Place of my school in district. So the next point given to us, that the place of school in district. Already I have told you that in India there is a state called Maharashtra, and in Maharashtra there are more than 36 districts, and one of my district is Jalgaon. So in Jalgaon district, my school is in Jalgaon Taluka. So the Taluka place and district place is same of my school. And the place of my school is concerned. My school is situated in a rural area. Though it is in rural area, it is very big. For about 2,000 students learn in my school. And it is the well-known secondary school of Jalgaon district. There are so many successful students in various examinations, scholarships, various scholarship exam at 5th standard and 8th standard. Then in the 5th standard, there is also Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. In the after selection in this exam, the students got admission in Navodaya Vidyalaya run by the government of India, and they can live in the residential school, and they can complete their whole education there. So as far as Navodaya Vidyalaya is concerned, in every year for about 3 or 4 students pass Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Then MTS, NTS, various types of exams are also taken in our school. Then the students of my school participate in various taluka, district, division, and state level activities. So it is also very good. So as far as normal day of my school is concerned, at the beginning of the academic year, actually we start our academic year in the month of June. For about 14 or 15 June, our educational academic year start. So at the beginning of the year, academic year, we prepare our weekly, monthly, and yearly planning. This is very important activities. What we are going to do, what curricular and extracurricular activities we are going to do in the whole year. So we plan it, because in English we say, failing to plan is planning to fail. So definitely every year we plan, and there are 3 types of planning: weekly planning, monthly planning, and yearly planning at the beginning of the year. Normal day school begins with assembly, and in the assembly, first we start our school day with prayer. So on the different day, we have different prayers, various types of different prayers. Then national anthem, India's national anthem, moral education, some moral stories we share with our students and Pasaidan, and then our classes, our periods begin. Instructions for the day. In the assembly, we give our students instructions which are very useful for the whole day. Then regular teaching learning activities start. Actually, there are 8 periods, and each period of 40 minutes in our school. And there are 2 races, small races and big races. Arrangement of subject related competitions. So this is also one of the features. We arrange subject related competitions in our school. Sports competitions, subject related competitions, and every Saturday after this chess program, every Saturday, ma'am, we celebrate English Day. Every Saturday, to develop the speaking ability of our rural students, we celebrate English Day. So how do we celebrate English Day? So we start assembly in English, and the students are told, as far as possible, the whole day, though they commit mistake, they try to speak in English. And whenever and whatever they are unable to speak in English, they can use some regional language, Marathi language. But as far as possible, on Saturday, try to speak in English when they are in school campus. So this is also one of the features. And from the last year, we are facing pandemic situation, and because of that, online classes are going in our school. But these online classes, the students are from poor family. They are unable to buy all these facilities, smartphone, then network. So these are some issues. So in this way, ma'am, I have explained myself, my school, and within 40 minutes, I have tried my level best to explain myself, my students, and my school. Now in this next 40 minutes, it is your turn to explain yourself and your school. Now after this 40 minutes, गेला का वरती अरे दादा हेलो हेलो हेलो, हाँ जॉइन मैम। पासवर्ड Zoom password, same ma'am, same Zoom password. Click that same meeting. Okay. I share that link again. Hello.
मॅडम जॉईन नाही झाल्या का?
हाँ होता है झाले.
Yes. Hello,
हाँ मैम.
sir.
Please,
Yes.
everybody, please on your videos.
Thank you, sir, for your presentation. I am really surprised your presentation. Now, I excuse me 1 minute.
Bachao sir, give her permission to share the screen.
Ma'am, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. More much. Make host work.
Make her host.
Yes, Karan. Ma'am, unmute your mic. You are unmute yourself, ma'am. Nilofer, ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Now you are host. You can share your screen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, screen share. My skin is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. At first, welcome everyone. Then I identify myself. My name is Nilufar Yasmin. Masters of Economics and Masters of Education. It's my professional qualification. And I have a research paper in my primary education. My research paper was uses of digital content in primary education. Okay. Here address is my house number 18, roll number 1, New Shalbur, Rangpur. My district name is Rangpur. Okay.
Yes.
And my country is Bangladesh. Yes. It's telecooperation project, Bangladesh and India. Here our national flag also sing. Now, I introduce my school. Okay. This is my schools, Dokhin Konkon, Masterpara Government Primary School, Gangachara, Rangpur, Bangladesh. It's established in 1985. Actually, it was an non-government school, but 7 years ago, this school is government. But me also government teacher in 1993. My teaching is 27 years. My country has 90,000 school was non-government, but 7 years ago, our government has all school has government. Then some experienced teachers, they include this type of school. We establish and we increase our education system in this school type of school. My school, this school was not like this one, but it was an so poor school. But me had joined 3 years ago. Then I decorated my school in this way. Okay, my school has 2 buildings. This one is first building, and this one is second building. Okay, here classroom is 6 classroom. One is primary classroom. One is teachers room, and here is 4 classroom. This 1 to 5. My school grade is Pre to class 5. Okay. My this is another building, and here I theme play, learn, and grow more together. It's my school theme. Yes. Me work our school in normal day. We start our school in assembly, prayer, and national anthem. Also, here are both of religious, Hindu and Muslims. My school actually Hindu is the most. I have 252 students, but here 150 students are Hindus and 100 is Muslims. Okay, here regularly we reads here some Quran Talawat and Tripitaka. Sorry, Gita part. Okay. Every day we teach some moral words. It's speech by head teacher. Our make some group by my students, how is he works a whole day in school. Don't mind, actually I can't express so good, but you see it. Okay, it's my pre-primary classroom. I decorated this type. My Prathmik. Its Bengali is Prathmik, and this classroom name is Shishurajyo, mean child. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes. Don't worry. We understand.
Okay. There are many type of I decorated this in its wall, and this room also decorated. My students are playing here many types of toys, and they are playing here. Okay, and they learn to play. This is my pre-primary classroom. These are decorated. Here is Bengali letters, and Bengali 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay, and A, B, C, D. All are here. Just they saw it and learn in joy. Okay. This is on my others classroom. Here 3, 4, and 5 classrooms. It's also decorated. It's also decorated many types of. They are learned here in this type. And I want here 4 students make a group. 4 students make a group. A teacher teaches them. In this way, I arrange my classroom. This is my science classes. We have no lab, we have no science instrument, but me want my students, they are took the science class in real science class. Okay, this here I taught them mati means soil. How many soil, how many type of soil in our country. Students some get the outside, they are arranged and they classified. Here also some leaves, here I taught them leaves. They some added some various type of leaves and what type of leaves they divide and then they learn this way. Okay. This is my science class. My school, I arranged and decorated some social awareness project. This is this Bengali is Esho Nide Socheton Hoi. Means yes.
Can you show the last slide?
Last science classes slide.
No, slide number 11. 11.
11.
Yes.
Social awareness project.
Yes.
Just yes. This is on my social awareness project. Okay. Here I write them some moral words. Okay. Moral words, and students every day it's read them and they know the what every day we cut our name. This is types of word. Okay. Hello. We should use mosquito at the sleeping time. This type of just students awareness him or herself. Okay. Here are some. Then or moral politics practice. Okay. Here to tell a lie is a great sin. We should make our life in the honesty. This type of moral words right here, and they every day they read this and practice to their lives.
Can you read these morals for us?
It's this words, okay. Every day we cut our nail.
You can read it in Bangla also.
বাংলা আচ্ছা, দল বেঁধে স্কুলে যাব, স্কুল শেষে দল বেঁধে বাড়ি যাব, অপরিচিত কারো থেকে কিছু নেব না, তবে বা কৌটায় বৃষ্টির পানি জমতে দিব না। আমরা শিশুরা জাতির মূল বিদ্যালয়ে ফোটাই ফুল। রাতে ঘুমানোর সময় মশারি ব্যবহার করব। বিদ্যালয়ে আমার ঘর, রাখবো সদা পরিষ্কার। This means school is my home and I clean all time. Okay.
Yes.
And another is সামাজিক সচেতনতা সচেষ্ট হই. We are aware with our social awareness. These are যৌতুক দেয়া এবং নেয়া দুটি সমান অপরাধ। No dowry. Okay. নারী নির্যাতনের বিরুদ্ধে রুখে দাঁড়াবো। No women. সকলে মিলে বাল্য বিবাহ প্রতিরোধ করি। শিশু শ্রম না বলি, এসো সুন্দর ভবিষ্যৎ করি। যারা ইপটিজিং করে আমরা তাদের ঘৃণা করি। করব মোরা মাদক বর্জন, করব মোরা সুখের জীবন। ওকে,
Nice. Thank you.
I have school as the honesty store. Honesty store. Here the students learn about honesty by buying their own products, their own self. Okay, because there is no seller here in this store, no seller. Just student name, write her name, and she go to the store. She put in her coin, and he take his needs. Okay, this type of, and they here also learn here how to make discipline. They are standing here, it's discipline.
What
and
things?
one by one.
What things
Huh?
they can buy there?
Many types here. Some school needs pen, pencil, eraser, chocolate, many type of chocolate, all types of
Yes.
grocery shop also. Just student needs. Okay. Walls of humanity. It's called walls of humanity. Here students who have enough clothes and enough any type of things he doesn't use, he put here, and who needs this type of things, he take it. They have no money, just for he needs, he take it. Okay, it's my walls of humanity. This health awareness corner. Here are some box, medicine box, and so doctors and AIDS box here. All are some medicine also here. When anybody any cut anywhere, they need, they are helping. School has 7 person is doctor, Khude doctor. They are 7 doctor. All time they works here. This anybody how to we teach them how to make bandage, how to which medicine needs which purpose. Then they help all time all over the schools. Okay. This name is Khuda Doctor Corner. This is a museum. This museum is our national hero Bangabandhu. This name is Bangabandhu Corner. Our students know our heroes, how is our heroes and how he works and how he independent in our country. They know here. Okay, there are some pictures and some topics also. They read them, and this school has Bangabandhu Corner. It's the name of Bangabandhu Bangladesh or Mukti Jodha, this background of liberation war. Just here, all type of picture, and here some captions. We write some words, how we get our Bangladesh, how to our people battle in the liberation war. Okay, this the museum is. This is the display board. Every year, school works with type of program. We here display this there, and students learn here many things. Okay. It's a poster, wall poster, where every student write down their own views. Some writes poem, some writes a short story, some writes any honest people. They write down, and the students are work this one poster paper. This poster name is students there. Shopnu means dream. Their dream here. Okay. Your school has library, but my school has no another library room. Every classroom, I have Bangabandhu book corner. This is my 3, 4, and 5, 5th classrooms. There are in class I have a book corner. This library. Here are some books, students, and there are some diary also. They at the teaching time they write, maintain a register, and they take a book and 2 or 3 days he read this, and he back the book in this library. Just every classroom has a library, but no another library. Okay. This is our another project. One day, one word. Here you see that one day, one word. Just class wise, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, and class 5. Here we teach every day. When we teach English, every day one word, student learn, and he write down a poster paper, and they make her. Every day he say this which word he learned by yesterday, or which word he will learn today. Okay. Okay, they see that, and student also decorated this type of poster paper, and they learn one day one word. It is our another project.
Is it
And,
Bangla word or English word?
it's English word.
English word.
Only English word, Bangla word also.
Both.
Bangla word also. Both are. One Bengali word with meaning, one English word with meaning. Every day they learn. Yeah. And they write down this, and this one poster is 1 month. One poster is 1 month. Okay. 1 month is one poster. Just 1 month, our activities days are 24. Here 24 words. 1 month is our activities day was 26th day. They had 26th word. Okay. It's our big project, and the student learn actually so nicely, because our student was large students. They have no teacher and teachers with parents. They only learn with our school. So we take this initiative, just student reach your vocabulary. Okay. This is my class, digital classroom. I have no another digital lab. Just for government give us a laptop, a projector, and a laptop and a projector. We sometimes some teaching some topics we will try to learn them just one class every week, 3, 4, or 5. This class has 2 digital class. Okay, per day 2 digital class. 1 and 2, we every day teach them this multimedia class. Okay, this is our digital class. And other co-curriculum activities. Here, my students all are make I decorate my school. All are my we just guideline them. They are working on. Okay, they make this type of this is a peacock. This is a peacock. They make this just arts and craft class. They will do this type of activities. Sometimes we school arrange blood group project. Here the students are testing her blood group. We arrange this type of program also. And sometimes students are clean our school playground and ground and other side. They are working this type of work. And when school is end, just 1, 2 children are little, that time our big students and we are also just crossing across the road, because this road is one-way road here. So we help them how to go to his house. This is my practical classroom, practical learning. Here is a student here learning by traffic. How to across the road, how to, what are they, sorry. What are they when red light, when what is the uses of yellow light, what is the uses of red light. We learn them this type of teaching in practically. My digital classroom. Okay. They had our national heroes birthday, we celebrate this type of multimedia classroom. My school also International British Council International ISA School Award, School Award with some international collaboration with the students of different countries by Skype. Here we do our language activities. My school students are learn them, collaborate with another countries. Another summer occasion, every year you also say that your school, your government also give them free book. My government also, just our school session is January to December. 1st January, just 1st January, we give them book, our students, all of the students free for book. Okay, this we call is Boy Utshab, book festival. Okay, these students, we give them book. And celebrating our International Mother Language Day, you know, we take our mother language. It's so many difficulties. So we celebrated this an International Mother's Language Day in this type of way. Our students are sorry. Yes, in this occasion, we take some various program, just art and craft competition, and song competition, and recite poem. This type of program we arrange this, celebrating the International Mother Language Day. This type of prize giving ceremony, this is my education officer also visit my school, and others officer visit my school, and they also give them the prize in my students. Thank you. And I want to say you just in pandemic, how do we teach our students? My students, my school was live in a semi-urban area. Internet has available, but my student has no device. They has no Android mobile. Now our government we take our class Google Meet in online, but we survey that my student has no Android mobile. I have only 2 students, they have Android mobile, otherwise on button mobile. So it is so difficult to online class, take online class. So in this time I take learning. In pandemic, I take this time, these ways my student take their class. Just I go any areas, here are some students, I call them in a week, 3 days I take in this type of class, and teach them in this way. And nowadays, every week weekly worksheet are given from door to door in pandemic time. In pandemic time, we give them the worksheet, every students, and after a week, we go home and we back this worksheet. Okay. Your school has midday meal, but my school also has midday meal activities. But that time, actually, here in normal day, students, all students are their meal in their house. No, we don't give them. Okay, we give them some only 1 packet of biscuits. We give them. So during the pandemic, we visit only student house and we give them as a fruits. This type of fruits we give them also. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much. I'll try my level best. Don't mind because I am not actual available and just speak in English, so that's some problem. Don't mind.
Very
Okay.
nicely explained. And you have very skillfully and artistically used the photographs. So
Yes.
we understood each and everything. Is there anybody to ask a question to Nilufar ma'am? Preksha, Sejal, do you want to ask something? Preksha? Okay. So, very nice presentation, ma'am. This is our first presentation. And in second presentation, we have to give information about our family and overview of the project, 7 SDGs,
Yes.
the 7
Yes.
SDG goals. So we will meet day after tomorrow, we can say. We have already formed our group and we will share our meeting times and date on that particular group. So it is very nice. First meeting is very nice meeting. We have got very nice information about your school, the situation of your students. In short, I can say that the situation of your students and my students is same. Because of the
Yes.
lack of device, it is very difficult to continue their education. And
Yes.
We are trying our level best. In our school also only 10% students have these devices. But what about the students, 90% students? So we are also trying to go to their homes and try to teach them. We have also tried by the government of Maharashtra WhatsApp Swadhyay, and some videos, some links we share to the WhatsApp group of students, and they share with one another and try to learn. But definitely it is very difficult to continue the education in this pandemic situation. I am very much thankful, Nilufar ma'am. You have explained very nicely. Though you are primary teacher, but your English is also so good. I'm quite impressed.
Thank you, sir. No, actual, I can't just practice in this. So I'm so poor in speaking. But I want to reach to collaborate with you. Okay.
Yes. You are more